A father can have a baby. First time in the world, father's pregnancy and childbirth. The ability to bear children was thought to be given only to mothers, but science has made it possible for fathers to conceive and give birth. The baby mouse was fertilized with the sperm of the father mouse, and the father mouse was pregnant and the father mouse gave birth, and then it became an adult and bred normally. Today's video introduces a study that answers that can have a baby too. In mammals, pregnancy and childbirth were only possible for mothers. At least once in your life, you'll be asked, why can't your dad get pregnant and give birth? In particular, the scene of a hippocampus giving birth is a hot topic, but since a hippocampus is a fish that lays eggs, pregnancy and childbirth, which are characteristics of mammals, is impossible to the hippocampus. The mother hippocampus lays the egg, and the father hippocampus fertilizes the eggs and stores them. It's been shown that pregnancy and childbirth require special organ, uterus, and proper hormone control. The Chinese researchers challenged this gender-based constraint and published the following paper in response. Yuhan Liu, who is a researcher at China's Naval Medical Center, has overcome the limitations of uncontrolled uterine and pregnancy hormones in a rather bizarre way. As shown in the following schematic diagram, the researchers linked the skin of the female and male mice to share blood, implant the uterus in the male mice, and implant fertilized eggs in both female and male mice. The fragment mother mouse pregnancy hormones are transmitted to the father mouse through shared blood. The fertilized egg was implanted in the father mouse, and the fetus began to grow. Meanwhile, the father mouse had a cesarean section on the 21st day of pregnancy because normal delivery was not possible. The researchers claimed that the baby mouse born to the father mouse could grow normally and reproduce. In this way, the researchers implanted 280 embryos in 46 male mice, 10 of which survived. The researchers called the experiment may have a profound impact on reproductive biology, but animal rights group PETA criticized it as unethical research. Research in this approach can enable the pregnancy and childbirth of transsexual women. It's a way of transplanting the uterus into a transsexual woman and controlling the proper hormones. That's it for now. Thanks.